INS Vikrant and Eastern Naval Operations. INS Vikrant, India's only aircraft carrier at the time, spearheaded naval operations in the Bay of Bengal. Deployed well before the war began, it ensured complete naval supremacy over East Pakistan. Its air wing included Seahawk fighters and Alice aircraft capable of bombing and reconnaissance. Once war broke out, Vikrant squadrons launched repeated strikes on key coastal cities and ports. Its presence enabled a tight naval blockade, cutting off all escape and supply routes to East Pakistan. Pakistani naval assets in the east were either destroyed or forced into hiding. Vikrant's success proved decisive. East Pakistan was completely isolated by sea, dooming Pakistani forces in Dhaka.